렌게 감사. 대리잉의 사강기 제조디니 메도베제당 솔롱공봉업의 제인. 아니디 간제수구매 ngotutundu주시야이. 렌게 무티네 시로나. 자디 제고야니 메도베제 솔롱공보. 순남변조. 송공보. 꼭바. 거무. 제눔. Num, subemava suba, subengoma, cha, chayu, chu, changma tindes tu chana. Ngon la chelandi yakbo chabu chasuna. Tine num lu ne, tine kamachi menzam sirchu. Tine cha dang subemava suba, kokpa che. Lu ne tuktu dan ne kokpa chundo gyamu chasuna. Medo peche tang chayu chu yema subengoma. Lu tine tuktu dan la kama sum surju. Tine solongombu gyab tuktu dan ne yangya kama chi surju. Chu cha ne tamana lu chasuna. Tine kang la zongombu sunam benzo diga. Ini sabre. Ini kala niebu yung basho. Ni jumaje yung jasidele. Hello everyone. Today my restaurant top menu food is fried cauliflower with a bell pepper. And let's start. Need to prepare is cauliflower, bell pepper, coriander, green onion, garlic, ginger, red chili, oil chili, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, after all cut and chopped like this. First heat the frying pan and add vegetable oil. Heat the oil less than 1 minute and then add salt and fresh red chili and garlic, and then cook until the garlic turn into little brown, and add the cauliflower, and then add soy sauce and vinegar, pepper, oil chili, stir well and cook for 3 minutes, and then add bell pepper. Cook for 1 more minute. After cooked, before serve, add the green onion, coriander on top. That's it. Bon appetit. See you all next time. Have a great time.